Question number 35. The volume V of a monoatomic gas varies with its temperature T, as shown in the graph. The ratio of work done by the gas to the heat absorbed by it when it undergoes a change from state A to state B is option 1 is 2 by 5, option 2 is 2 by 3, option 3 is 2 by 7, option 4 is 1 by 3. So we have been given that given process is obaric. So Cp will be equal to 5 by 2R, or we can compute the specific heat at constant pressure as Cp equal to 3 by 2R plus R. Now we will consider that the heat absorbed dQ is NCP dt. So now substituting the value of Cp, dQ is equal to N into 5 by 2R into dt. So for an isobaric process, the work done is given as dW equal to PdV and dW is equal to nR dt. So the ratio of work done by the gas to heat absorbed by it when it undergoes the change from state A to state B is ratio is equal to dW upon dQ. dW will be nR dt and dQ will be n 5 by 2R dt. So after solving this, dt will cancel dt, r will cancel r, n will cancel n, and this 2 will go up. So the ratio between dw and dq will be 2 raised to power 5. So correct option is option number 1, 2 raised to power 5.